And so if we kind of pick this, and we can tell it what standards we want and things. So I don't care about all standards. I just want ASME fasteners. And I want them just to be in English. I don't want all the metric ones there. I'm going to say OK. So bolts and screws. I can look down and see what I want. So I want to do a round head screw. I'll do it. I'll do a hex head. There we go. So I'm going to tell it I wanted to have a slotted. Yeah, sure. I'll do a slotted pan head because those are the favorites of everybody. And so for the size I have it left as auto, I'm just going to pick that hole. Boom. And it's going to size it for it. Now I can grab the arrow down here and tell it I want it to come all the way through there.
Saves so much time.
And I can just hit create. And you can see it picked a 1/4" screw. And there we go. And now I can go back to fasteners, tell it I want a washer, I want a plain washer. Boom. Create and continue. Now I'm going to throw a lock washer on there. Why is it? There we go. Save and continue. I probably should have done the other way, but you get the idea. And now I'm going to go back. Oh, I need more space. I'll fix the bolt later. So I'll just do a hex nut. Just a regular hex nut. Pick there, create and continue. Now I can just close that. And now I can just go back up here to my fasteners, go to that first screw. Oops, not that one. Right click on it, edit the fastener. Now I can just tell it I want it to be a little bit longer. And there it goes.